you talking about? You know that was an illegal move.
No, it wasn't. You're just mad because my player outmaneuvered your team.
Did you see my lineup? We should have won.
Not true. Mine was stacked. You saw the bench. It went on for days. For days.
Team was whack and you should have lost.
Oh.
You guys talking about the game?
Yeah, you got something to say too?
I didn't know it was that serious.
She's just mad because her team lost.
Oh, you a Niners fan?
Are you talking about football?
Well, yeah.
Why does everyone think we're talking about football?
Because yesterday was
The Puppy Bowl. Puppies.
Welcome back to another episode of Cybrary Week in Review.
I'm Shelby.
I'm Thor.
I'm Danyelle and today is February 3rd. Let's get started.
Our first course this week is Assembly, which will teach students the background and information related to programming in assembly. Assembly is the lowest level programming language and is useful in reverse engineering and malware analysis. In 2020, it's not as common for an entire application to be written in assembly, but understanding and writing some of an application in assembly enables the programmer to give additional functionality. Students who take this course must be familiar with basic programming concepts and have access to a Linux system.
Our next course is End-User Email Security. This course will give you the basic ideas on the importance of end-user email security, how an email is used to breach security, and who is responsible for maintaining email security in an enterprise. This course will teach you how to recognize malicious emails, the biggest dangers when using email, and email best practices.
In this course, brought to you by industry leader Check Point, they will cover cybersecurity threats and elements of Check Point's security management architecture. Check Point will take you through the different technologies they use, including Threat Cloud, Sandblast, and Check Point Security Gateway. This course will give you the perfect overview of Check Point systems and how they can be used.
Thank you all for watching, and make sure to tune in next week for another edition of Cybrary Week in Review. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, remember to like and subscribe.